Hello and welcome back to homeschoolcurriculumcenter.com. We are your source for curriculum reviews and resources. We give you information on everything homeschool, from top curriculum choices to free curriculum options, best online curriculum, and resources for every subject. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when we upload videos on the latest homeschooling resources. We are back with another homeschooling resource. Today's resource is a science curriculum called Noeo Science. Let's take a look at Noeo Science. So this is an open and go science curriculum. It does include experiments, living books, so lots of books to read, and prep-free lessons all in one box. So when you order this curriculum, it does come shipped in a box, and everything you need is included all in one box. So it's a box kit. It does include all the experiment items, the worksheets for the students, and so on. So you can turn your home into a science lab. Experiment materials and instructions are all ready to open from day one. You can adapt the curriculum to fit your life. So there are flexible schedules for this program. You can do it in 2 days, 4 days per week. It depends on what you want to, how you want to organize your homeschool science schedule. There's also included some living books. So there's a hand-selected library of beautiful field guides, biographies, picture books, and more included in that box kit. And you can learn science together as a family. So the kits are for a wide age range. You can share the books and experiments among multiple kids interested in the same subject. So this is their website, noeoscience.com, and you can see their different offerings here. They have lots to choose from, lots of different box kits here. So let's take a look here at what they have to offer. So they do include information on the 3 foundational science categories in every grade level. So those foundational science categories are biology, chemistry, and physics. So those are included in each of the box kits. So they do a good job at including vocabulary, experiments, and they do say they want students to have knowledge, the knowledge of science, and the know-how of science. So it is a very easy to follow curriculum. They do give a complete 60-day money-back risk-free guarantee there. So that's a good option if you just kind of want to look and try it out and see if it'll work for you. So they do have a biology one here, some great reviews there. You can see the total price. This will be for the entire school year here. They have chemistry 1. And then they also have physics 1. Then you go into the second level, so biology 2, chemistry 2, and then of course the physics 2 there. And then you go into chemistry 3, physics 3. And then they also have other kits that include like more topical studies like magnetism or the power of fire, the human body. So lots of box kits here, but in electricity. So their goal here is to have the children to gain the science knowledge and also have the know-how. So there are living books in each of these kits, as well as experiments, so they can have the knowledge from the living books and the know-how from the experiments. So very well laid out curriculum here. You can take a look at what all is included. It's listed on their website as well. So all of this will come into your box kit for biology 1. So biology 1 is for grades 1 through 3, ages 6 to 8. So a great range there if you want to use it with multiple children. I'm sure you could move that up a grade level or down a grade level. And so they do have a quick unboxing video here on their website as well. The curriculum preview, remember you get the instructor's guide. You also get a lab manual and the complete list of household materials for the experiment. It does tell you what's included in the box, so you know exactly what you have there. It tells you the instructor's guide is there, lab manual, which books are included. These are the books that will be included in the package, so you don't need any other additional books outside of that. It also gives you what experiment items are included in the kit, and then it also gives you the lesson scope. So what will you talk about? What will you teach in this particular box here? So for biology 1, you would do invertebrates, fish, mammals, birds, human body, major ecosystems, plants and trees, and weather. You also get these scientists here as well. So great option here if you're looking for, experiment kits. I have over 70 plus experiments. So that's awesome. There's lots of experiments here. It's a very comprehensive course of study in one box. Remember, there's everything in one box. So all you need is in one box besides those household materials. You can also use other materials as needed as well. There's those living books that are already in the box, so you would read about that particular topic. And then there's those hands-on experiments. So this is all included in one curriculum box. So that is an awesome kit there for science. Remember, you can do the different science levels. So biology 1, physics and chemistry 1 are for those lower grade levels, so 1st through 12th. And then biology 2, let's take a peek at chemistry 2. This will be for that second level there. And so with chemistry 2, let's see what we learn in chemistry 2. You can see, as mentioned, what comes in the box. Of course, the instructor guide there. Great reviews there once again on their curriculum there. Let's scroll down here and we can see what the curriculum covers. So remember, you get the instructor guide, the lab manual, and a complete list of those household materials that you would need to gather for those experiments. They do come with the books, lesson plans, and experiments ready to go from day one. Materials that are in the box. So remember, you do get the instructor's guide, lab manual. Here are the books that you will receive in that box. Also the experiment kit items there. And then the lesson scope. What will be taught from this box? So in the chemistry 2, this is atoms and molecules, solids, liquids and gases, mixtures and compounds, elements, the periodic table, and geology. So the level 2 is for grades 4 to 6, ages 9 to 11. Now, if we look at the level 3, so remember, each grade level does include biology, chemistry, and physics, okay? Each grade level grouping there. And then 3, let's take a look at the physics 3. We'll peek into that grade level there. This is for ages grades 7 to 8 and ages 12 to 13. So with this, you can see what all comes in the kit there. Maybe you can order and check out the pricing here on their site as well as reviews. And so with this curriculum, of course, you get the same items there, and then it gives you the exact list of materials that are included in this box. So the living books, they're listed there, as well as the experiment kit items. And then you have the lesson scopes. What will the students learn in physics 3? Okay, so the history of physics, forces in motion, simple machines, energy, electricity, magnets, electromagnetism, light and sound, and the famous inventors there. So this is a great option with having the living books inside the curriculum box. So when you purchase, everything you need from experiment materials to books to teacher's guide to student worksheets are all included in the box. So how awesome is that? So there are 3 levels. Level 1 is grades 1 to 3. Level 2 is grades 4 to 6. Level 3 is grades 7 through 8. Okay, so it gets you through that middle school level. So grades 1 through 8 there. So you can see exactly what you get in each kit. It's right there on their website. Their website is noeoscience.com. So look at here, noeoscience.com. You can head on over to their website and definitely place an order to get all that's included in these box kits. So very good science curriculum here that is easily organized and follows a very structured format. Now, if this is not quite what you are looking for science curriculum, that is okay. There are so many options for science, just like all the other subject areas. So head on over to homeschoolreadingresources.com. There is a science curriculum guide that gives a list of the most popular homeschool science curriculum out there. So take a look and download that free guide. It is a free instant download. Go over and grab it if you want a full list of homeschool science curriculum. You can also check out our playlist here on YouTube. Remember to share this video with other homeschooling families so they have this information also. And don't forget, you have to subscribe to be notified when we upload videos on the latest homeschooling resources. Check out our description box. There are so many helpful links in there. And remember, happy homeschooling.